handy friends, thanks for coming back. Today I want to show you about roll-on essential oils. They're really easy to make and they can do a lot for you. So let's talk about the first thing, aromatherapy. The best thing about aromatherapy is you can pick what you like. You can mix and match and customize your own essential oil roll-on rollerballs. We always joke about rollerball. So they're roll-on essential oils. So we always call them rollerballs here at home. But I've got a few different kinds of these laying around. I'm not going to give you any specific recipes or certain ways because it's so customizable that you can figure it out yourself. And these essential oils help keep the mind, body, and spirit in balance. So that's the main thing about aromatherapy. And let's also talk about application. So application for these is, there's 4 really good places to apply. The bottom of your feet is really nice. Behind the ears, the temple, and the wrist. So a little bit right here on the wrist, like that. And my favorite, which isn't on the top 4, is the neck. So I like to apply mine right here on the bottom of my neck, and then I kind of can get the smell and I feel the tingle, and it's just really nice. So I'm going to show you a simple headache recipe today. You can buy these roller balls in a package on Amazon. I will give you more details in the description. They're really cheap and you can make quite a few. They're reusable. Most roller balls come with this key. So once this gets all oily and greased up, you're going to need a key to loosen this top here. Okay, so here's the roller ball. Again, you can just pop this off with your nail. If you don't have a nail, you can use the key. Here's the roller ball key close up. So I've got the cap off. And they come with this funnel. Gonna stick the funnel in there. And so this is for headaches. Whoops. Move that. So I'm gonna be using peppermint and orange. So you go ahead and put your essential oils in the bottle. Now, you're going to want to find your own recipes. This is just what I prefer to use and for video purposes. So I have peppermint here. This is a 10 milliliter roller bottle. And I put 5 drops of the peppermint. And now I'm going to go ahead and give 5 drops of the orange. Alright. Now I did buy this dropper separate. I will also put a link down below. It is glass. They're very nice. I have quite a few. And this comes on off and you can just wash it up. So that's what I do in between uses. And I just kind of tip it up to dry. They work great. So now I have my essential oil mixture in the bottom. And now we're going to add kind of the secret key. Now you don't have to use coconut oil. This is just what I prefer to use. And this is what is called pure fractionated. And so basically what it means is it's taken the coconut oil and turned it into a pure liquid form. So it's just always liquid coconut oil. Open that on up and fill it the rest of the way. Now you want to be careful with essential oils and you want to follow recipes. So go ahead and search for rollerball essential oil recipes and you can find your own recipes for different things. These essential oils can be really good for headaches, nausea, problems sleeping, concentration. There's lots of different uses, so go ahead and make sure you check that out. But you want to make sure that when you are working with essential oils, you always dilute it properly with a carrier oil. So in that case, this is my liquid coconut oil. And so you can use different oils for different recipes. Like I said, go ahead and check out some recipes yourself, but always make sure you're diluting properly and knowing what you're diluting and how you're diluting with carrier oils before you mess around, because you don't want to put too much essential oils in or change your own recipes up, because using essential oils directly on the skin can be very harmful. So here you've got your roller ball. Go ahead and put the cap on, shake it up, label it, and use it. And this is headache relief. It's really nice. So if you like what you see, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more all natural videos to come. And stay handy, friends.